Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick overview over my code. Today we're going to be looking at my employee tracker, and as always you can find the repo down in the description. To start on this one, you're going to want to run npm install. That'll install all the required packages. I already have them installed, obviously. In this situation, it's going to be Inquirer and the MySQL2 to integrate SQL into our actual program. Note, in my program, I have written my specific root and like root user and password. You might need to edit that on your end. That's not something I can do for you. This also requires MySQL to be installed on your system, so please be sure to have that taken care of beforehand. If you do, after you run that, normally we would just go to run the index file, but actually we need to make sure that our SQL database exists and is populated. So I have some schemas here you can run. I recommend doing that. So real quick, I'm gonna drop my the one I already made, which is the one for this. But so I'm gonna drop that quick. So it's dropped. I'm gonna now get the schemas run. Yep, and then copy path, source. All right, and now that has been updated. So we can now run the program. Node index, and you'll see, ooh, we have our employee tracker. So there's a bunch of options on here. They are quite easy, as simple as clicking on them. So view all departments will show you the department's information. Roles will do a similar thing. And then finally, employees will do a similar thing. You'll see here, we have all that information. Now, say you wanted to add a department, you can easily do that. Please enter a valid name for the added department. We're going to go with research and development. All right. And now, if we go to view all departments, you'll see research and development. Note, this is an issue with Inquirer, not the actual program. For some reason, on a first run, Inquirer may add things in a way you do not want it to. I think it's just a bug with the current version, which that's perfectly fine. You can always close the program with Control-C and then run it again. We're going to now add an employee. I'm going to add a first name, and then add a last name. I'm going to give that employee a role. Why don't we just do... I'm trying to remember some of my roles. I think investor was one of my roles. And then manager name, we can do Robin Robinson. That was also one of my roles. Now if we look at all employees, Cameron Basketball's here. He's an investor. And on the finances, he makes $0. Robin Robinson. Finally, if we go to add a role, we just gotta make a roll up. So we'll make a roll up. We'll call it dancer because we need somebody to boost office morale. Salary for dancer, we'll do. I mean, office morale is pretty important. We'll do 2300. We'll do some decimals. And then department name for added role. That's really easy. We'll just make this why don't we do finance as well? And then if we go to view all roles, you'll see it there. Once again, it's an issue with Inquirer, not with the actual program. For some reason, it is duplicating information on some of these runs. Afterwards, we can exit, and those databases are updated. And that is how you use my program. Thank you.